Yeah. On this one here, when somebody attacks you from behind, what you got to do to understanding is learn to understand and control. So if I'm walking and if they come and grab from behind here, this hand, body have to be turned like this. Okay, grab, grab, then able to open the hand out, straight elbow coming in. Okay, straight away. Now, if you want to be funny about it, move to the nut here, move to the face here, move to the body here, and you get rid of it right away, and it's be finished, dead and buried. Okay, but the most important thing to understanding is you have to lower your body down to understand that. Okay, give you example on this angle here, so to get idea when you grab. So when you grab, you gotta get used to lower your body down. Yeah, lower your body down like this. Send the hand. So back again. So soon you grab, you got to be feel the line like this, coming into that. Okay, and then that way it become a lot more easier for you to using the hammer fist to the neck here and body like that, and then you can move away quickly and deal with them. So this is quite important to understand in the hand positioning where they are. So let me show you the basic idea again when you coming in. So when the hand of it, when it come, fully like this, open like this. So this hand have to be further out like that while you here grab and further out to be able to bring back like this. Okay, so your whole body have to turn. Because if you want to be a little more nasty, you can straight to this face here, straight to this nut here, straight to this body, straight to the here, straight to the body here, and you can send it to the king and come. You like all this movement that you see there? You want to come inside to see some more? What I got for you? You see how big the course is? A lot of information there. It's the real thing training. So come inside and I will be there to helping you to learn all the movement that you need to learn about self-defense. Come inside. I'll be right there for you.